Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Xixi. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for so long. It's almost been a week and a half. We're gonna unbox the Blue Yeti Nano today. Are you excited? I am so excited. Yay! Okay, let's dive right in. But you know what's weird is Amazon sent this to me in this humongous box. It's like this big. With this. Okay, it also had a keyboard inside, but we don't care about that. We care about this. Okay, so open it from up here. You open it up, and there's a hole. You put your finger in, and you slide it out. Okay, so there's some tape here. That's what it looks like on the inside. Got some pamphlets, which we won't read. We have something else, which we won't go through. Here we go. There it is. Nested inside like a little nesting animal. Okay. Get out. So beautiful, you guys. Look at it. Look at that. Wow. That's what it looks like on this side. It has a volume control and it's pretty and gold. Face you right here. Okay, so it has some wires and a little screw majig thing, which you probably I think you put that in there. Okay, let's leave that. That's it. That's all. Wait, what's this? It's like a bunch of paperwork in here. Let me get it out. What is that?
Well done. Stay cool.
What? Who's Henry? It says, look at your phone. Look at my phone. That's so weird. I got a message from the seller and it says, I once had a friend named Henry. He's not even a little bit scary. He likes to hang. He used to sing. He even takes the ferry. But now that we're all in quarantine and we have to remain a little clean, I can't say hi or even bye. So I have to use a screen. Here's my command for you to keep. Open these letters and don't fall asleep. Read them loud, read them proud about my friend Henry, who's not a creep. Really? You're gonna use my unboxing time to read letters for Henry? Okay, it's kind of sweet. Let's see what they say. Read these letters because every single word stands for a letter in Henry's name. Okay, well, Henry only has 5 letters, so why are there so many pieces of paper? All right, let's go through it. H stands for humble. Henry never tries to impress others by showing off. He always faces criticism very well, and he's never boastful. That's why Henry is humble. Aw, that's nice. Henry is helpful. Henry's always the first one to help out. He never complains, and he's always giving to others. That's why Henry is helpful. Henry, you're so helpful. Maybe you can help me out later. Henry stands for happy. Henry's always happy. He always have a positive outlook on life. I've never seen Henry really sad, except for this one time, but we won't get into that. Let's get into it. I want to know. Okay. And the E in Henry stands for empathetic. Henry always listens with a caring heart. He really tries to understand another person's pain, and he always tries to help them. He's very, very empathetic. Aw, that's so nice, Henry. E also stands for encouraging. Henry always wants the best for his friends. He never puts anyone down, except for April, spelled with a Y. Who's April? Anyway, the R in Henry stands for respectful. Henry's always showing respect to the elderly, to authority, to his friends who are older, and even to his own friends. He never puts anyone down, except for April. And R also stands for real. Henry's real. He's not a fake person, because there's nothing written about that. So Henry, the N stands for, oh shoot, we did R first. Anyway, you get it. You know how to spell your name, Henry. N stands for nice. Henry's very, very nice. And the reason why he's nice is because he's non-violent. That would make sense. He couldn't hurt a fly. But could you hurt April? The I, the final letter in Henry, stands for imaginative. Henry can create beautiful music. He has a very good imagination. He's very talented in the music area. Good writing. And the I also stands for he's an ideal friend. Wow, that's so nice. Henry, you sound like a really nice person. You're humble and happy and imaginative and non-violent, most importantly. Because having violent friends, that can get tough. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. This is my unboxing with Henry. And I hope next week you'll tune in because we're going to test this out. Exciting times. Now, if you like this video, remember to like. And if you love it, remember to sub it. And hit that notification bell. All right. See you next week. Every Saturday. Bye.